we just changed the tune up a little bit, got it where it's not lean. Currently have it on about 16.5 pounds. It's going to go higher than that, but I've got to mess with the timing and everything yet still, and change the VE tables up a little bit more to accommodate. But it's running great, popping and cracking like always. What do you think of it?
Definitely a game changer, that's for sure.
It is really nice to be able to drive this car after a year of having it and not being able to. We added a new sticker from Modern Performance. That added about 50 horsepower right there.
Oh yeah, you gotta fucking show who you get your parts from. So you're in debt. I'm probably playing.
Running good though. It's running great. IATs are looking great. AFRs are looking great. Hopefully by this weekend we'll be able to add a little bit more boost to it, because we're hoping to get it up in somewhere in the 20s. Hopefully, I'm not sure what his turbo is going to max out at, or his injectors just yet. I don't have a crazy amount of experience with the TD05s. The only car that I tuned with a TD05 was a 05 WRX, and I know we ran out of turbo with it. I think it was around 22 psi. If any of you guys are around from the area, you know we got about 800 tractor stores, it seems like, here where we're from. Either got a tractor store or another car wash, because for some reason this little tiny town thinks that we need to have about 10 car washes.
Yeah. Or you're gonna have diesel truck and stuff too.
Yeah, but you gotta blow out diesel smoke. No reason. Man, these people need to learn how to drive.
Well, that dude right there didn't even use his turn signal. Caleb wanted me to bring it in there and show him.
Hopefully, guys, now that the channel's gaining a little bit of, now that the channel's gaining a little bit of followers and stuff, we're planning on investing in a GoPro and trying to get a little bit better footage for you guys to make it make it a little better. Right now, we've been recording everything on our phones.
Yeah, I have been for years.
But definitely exciting moment to know that this thing is actually running pretty good. So this man went clear to, where'd you go to get this? Indiana to get it. It hasn't ran right since we got it. We've slowly tried to figure it out, and we finally found out that it was a fuel issue when I logged it.
Jesus Christ.
Good shots fired.
Oh, good Lord.
It's never shot like that before.
Man, it's running good. It's like an E85, man.
My wallet ain't liking it.
Oh, I know your wallet ain't liking it, but the car's loving it. I try like hell to get you to go E85. I was so happy when you finally agreed to it.
It's definitely a fun car.
Oh yeah, it's definitely fun. It pulls way harder than my Stage 2 did back in the day when I had a Stage 2. I used to have a black big wheel stock regular neon too that I had swapped to an SRT. That car's long and gone. It got wrecked by the owner I sold it to.
There was my $6 of gas.
Yeah, there was $6 for the E.
This thing's gonna be crazy if we put a two-step.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to get a wall box I'll have to program it for wide.
Loud as shit.
Well, not just that, with the wide open throttle shifting, it's really, really nice. That's what I had on my Stage 2 car. The wide open throttle shifting helps you hold boost between your shifts so you don't have to build it all back up. I remember riding it for the first time when you got it. I remember working on it and trying to figure out what in the world was the deal with the whole cutting out thing. I tried to data log with your Diablo, and I could not figure out for the life of me how to data log right with that thing. And all I had at the time was ROM readers for the WRX, so I couldn't log it with that. So we ended up getting HP tuners, and as soon as we data logged it out, we knew it was a fuel issue because he was hitting boost cut. I remember we changed everything trying to figure it out. We redid the one on the TPS, we changed the TPS, we changed the map sensor, changed the tip sensor.
Hope you guys enjoyed that video of us riding around and taking the car for a ride. The car is currently on more boost because that was like an old video that we had. Thought I would upload it and let you guys see it. As you can tell, I'm in different clothes. That video, like I said, was an old video. We're going to be introducing a new car to the channel, so I hope you guys will be revealing it here soon. If you're not a part of the Bad Disturb Facebook page, I might throw up a sneak peek on there, so look us up on Bad Disturb on Facebook. But that's pretty much all I got for you guys, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This is Bad Disturb, Mopar, No Car, and I'll talk to you guys later.
And when I dream